my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. A bearish engulfing pattern yesterday. Not that surprising, as the previous session was an indecisive spinning top. This indecision had stemmed from the trading range within which this market seems to have got itself caught, and interestingly yesterday was not an exception to that. You see, the market is caught, despite the bearish engulfing pattern we saw, within a wide band. It's between the overhead combination of the medium moving average, currently 95.84, short medium moving average, currently 95.55, and the February high at 96.17. Now below we have the recent 50% Fibonacci line at 92.26 plus support at 91.81 and 91.61. Now in between we also have the rising uptrends, currently 93.69 and 93.11, which may start influencing things and make the ranges tighter still. Now, so far today, no follow through to yesterday's bearish engulfing pattern. Indeed, we were a little higher earlier from yesterday's close, but we seem to be actually at a standstill, looking like, well, maybe an indecisive spinning top right now. LME 3-month aluminium. Okay, an unusual key reversal down yesterday. Actually, it's not the hardest pattern to construct, as the previous session was an indecisive doji cross. However, it moved against the recent trend higher from mid-July. Effectively, it was against the break up and out from the May to date bullish ascending triangle. Now, as you are aware, I have a problem with the breakout from this bullish ascending triangle. You see, prices have sat here now for over 2 weeks over the broken but perhaps still significant shallow downtrend from May, currently 25.67, and done nothing. This downtrend is important as it is formed, or has formed, the upper part of the May to date bullish ascending triangle. Yesterday was a case in point on how important it had become, as the low of this overtly bearish pattern created yesterday was on the broken downtrend. Anyway, it has now looked for so long as if the market seems to be establishing itself over this downtrend and thus the bullish ascending triangle. I'd even suggested some potential targets for such a move higher. Initial target X on the upside in the 27.90 area. This assumed this current move higher is not a false break. Well, we're still sitting here, neither moving higher to fulfillment or lower to confirmation of a false break. And neither has happened. And we just sit here. Which is why all patterns, overt or subtle, are suspect until this question is sorted out. So far today, a move back up and away from the broken downtrend, over the congestion at 25.78, but not as far as yesterday's high. Nor that much higher, actually, overall. I just wish this market would make up its mind. Beware of false breaks in either direction is all I feel like adding right now. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives you essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.